Okay, so last project we just had done, as you can see, remnants from the bush and small tree that were here. Got some stumps removed. There were about 5 stumps here on this side. This was covered with just some old bushes, and it just looked so bad and cluttered, and around the entire perimeter of the house there's just bushes on here. So wanted to clean this up. I got some projects on the side here I'm going to work on. Clean the siding. I got to work on that spotlight up there. Sensor, I don't know if the sensor is broken or what, but got to work on that. Clean this up, and then I'll paint the bottom of the foundation black to match the rest of the house that was done. So wanted to show you some of the stumps that they grounded up pretty good. So I'm gonna put some flowers in here, topsoil, make it clean and simple. Doesn't need to be, you know, overkill. Kind of like back here, there was just too many bushes, kind of like these around the entire perimeter. It just looked like crap. So wanted to clean it up, make it look good. There's one here that they removed, and then all those rocks too. I'm gonna move those to the low spot in the back. So that'll be next. More rocks here. There's another stump there. I just left that one because take the Sawzall and cut that one out pretty good. There was one over here, and this is a low spot, so I'll have to put some sand and soil in here, as you can see, but it was so close to the foundation, so that's why I really wanted those stumps gone, in addition to help our landscaping and make it look cleaner. So a couple other things I wanted to show you. Back over here, this was a big one. So there's remnants from this. Used the pole saw in the fall to cut down this 50-foot tree and got what I could. It was so close to the deck here, so I couldn't really get too much more with the saw to get too close to it, but they grinded this one up pretty good. There's still a little bit left, as you can see here. Can't really get too much else without the deck taking these boards off, but the stump goes pretty far under here. So he put some slices in it as well, as you can see, and I'll probably drill some holes. The best recommendation to help decompose it faster is to pour Roundup down it. So I'll drill a bunch more holes, and just it'll help kill it faster. So I got some cleanup to do, as you can see, which is fine. Here's another one, and then the last one they did was right over there. So it was just sticking out of the ground a little bit. It wasn't, you know, too high up, but it was still protruding enough to where it was kind of a pain to mow around. So that's the project that we just had done. Got to trim up some of these bushes still, but lots to do. And as far as cost, so the guy charged me $225 for 9 of them, and fortunately I had one more. I asked him how much he charged. Initially he said 20 bucks, and then lo and behold, to find out he just threw it in there for free. So family friend, ask around if you know somebody who does stump grinding. They did a good job. It took about an hour and 15 minutes, and he threw that one in for free, so that was nice. And the grass is looking good. So all in all, those are my projects that I have as far as the stump grinding. That's done. I'm gonna clean this up, put some more landscaping in, and make it look nicer and cleaner. So lots of projects, but that's pretty much what I wanted to share with you guys. Please be sure to like and subscribe, ask any questions below, and hope to talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching.